Hey friends, Chris from Treasured Bounty, getting back to you. Today, Friday for me, when I'm making this, hopefully Friday for everybody else too, I'm doing something a little bit different that I wanted to show you. Part of the, process of being a reseller is, we love to save money. And one way that I'm saving money is replacing my own battery on the laptop here. It kind of pooped out on me, but in order to continue being effective, I need to have working tools, don't I? Anyway, I'll upload some more content shortly because I'm going to be doing some listing, and I've got some different things in motion, and like I said, this is my first official week kind of doing all of this all at once, so I've got quite a few things to show you, and I just want to kind of lay it all out there again so that if there's anybody new watching, you can kind of follow along, and maybe this will inspire you to jump on board. So I'll be back at you shortly. Wow, just like new, I'll tell you what. This is something else. The guy at the local computer store quoted me $85 an hour times 2 hours of labor, and then a week and a half to wait for the battery to get here, and the battery for $65 on top of that, all in for around over $200, closer to $3 if taxes included and all that. And I did this for a $29 battery on Amazon that got delivered overnight, and it took me less than 5 minutes to remove the old, less than 5 minutes to install the new, and here we are. Just a pro tip for anybody looking to save a few bucks. Take care.